Aubergine was started in 2013 while both the founders, me and Bhakti, were working in the San Francisco Bay Area region.
We both had this vision of building a team who is chasing a singular goal of helping our clients build quality digital products globally.
Having got the exposure and also knowing about the availability of good talent in India, we thought we can go back to India and utilize our network here. And we wanted to join the two worlds, innovation capital of the world and the talent that is there in India.
We have been building this team who is focused purely on quality-driven processes.
Great skills of engineering and design started combining and building great products.
So the ultimate vision is to humanize digital products for our clients.
We are on the journey, and I think we want to continue doing this.
The way we operate is not vertical, it's horizontal. There is no concept of hierarchy. We usually treat everybody as equal.
So to be an OB means to be a good team player, bringing something to the overall group whose sum is greater than one. Basically, we look for people who want to take ownership and they strive for excellence, and they are always looking to grow their own self.
So with clients, we treat them as partners. It's a mutually beneficial relationship. We kind of are part of their team. That's how we operate.
The core ingredients, I think, of an ideal workplace that I would like to work at is how I built Aubergine. Whatever answers I got, that is what we've honestly tried to add at Aubergine.
So if you meet an OB, I can guarantee they will ask you a lot of questions. The reason they are asking these questions is because they want to establish clarity. With this clarity, they will prioritize and plan. We want to make sure each OB respects themselves, their own career, everybody around them, including their colleagues, as well as clients. Everybody here is working on something that they are really, really passionate about. We at Aubergine are always looking for opportunities to innovate. We ensure that unique perspectives of every individual are accounted for when we are working towards a solution. The prime ethos that we stand for is quality. We want to ensure that quality is at the foundation of every single thing we do. Chasing excellence is in our DNA. We want to make sure we do not compromise on what we are delivering. And we want to deliver quality not only to our clients, but also in the processes we establish internally so that we ourselves are working efficiently. Together, we make a team which is smarter than the potential of every single individual. Just like the League of Superheroes, we team up and build digital products that create great impact. Hi, I am Bhakti. I am an OB, and my superpower is to ask the right questions to fill the gaps.
My superpower is resilience.
Exploring new markets and opportunities are my superpower.
My superpower is attention to detail and problem solving.
My superpower is astute code cracking.
My superpower is to stay focused in chaos.
My superpower is critical thinking.
My superpower is strategic problem solving.
My superpower is all-rounder accelerator.
My superpowers are persistence and client relationship management.
My superpower is getting clarity.
Superpower is being poised in every situation.
And thinking long term is my superpower.
No one is you, and that is your superpower. The reason we believe in this is because every single one of us comes with something unique inside us. At Aubergine, we strongly believe in nurturing that skill along with helping you grow through the journey of your career.